Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this rolling ice cream plate. This thing is really neat idea to actually make your own ice cream at home. So we've already put it in the freezer for 12 hours, but it comes with your rolling spatulas, and it actually has some little cookie cutter things if you wanted to make little shapes out of your ice cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the ingredients on here, and then we will use these spatulas to just roll it around. So now that we've got our ingredients on there, I'm just going to stir this up. And with the coldness, it should just start melting together right away, and we will have ourselves some ice cream. All right, so we're gonna start at this one side, and then we are just going to roll it, and as it rolls then, it will mix everything together. And you can already see it starting to frost up, and I've only been doing this for a little bit here. All right, so one tip is whenever you're putting this in the freezer, put the metal side down. And we have been working with this, and the ice cream is now ready to be rolled. And it will roll more if you have it thinner. I didn't do mine quite as thin, but it is still ready to be eaten for ice cream. And it froze it up real nice.